So what can a scientist actually learn from this 4.5 billion year old rock that's about to land in Utah?
Well, what we don't know for sure, when you think we would, but we just don't, is what's the structural integrity of asteroids. Only recently, in recent decades, did we learn some of them might just be rubble piles gathered together that are masquerading as a solid object. Others are sort of loosely held together.
Barney, it's coming closer, Barney. As they looked at it, it flew in a zigzag pattern, and then it appeared to bounce back and forth in the sky like a ping pong ball.
In a jaw-dropping revelation that even caught the seasoned astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson off guard, an alleged alien corpse has been disclosed, igniting a whirlwind of speculation and curiosity. This unanticipated unveiling not only questions our traditional comprehension, but thrusts the conversation about extraterrestrial phenomena into uncharted territories. As scientists and the public alike wrestle with the profound implications, this revelation is poised to revolutionize discussions on extraterrestrial existence, setting the stage for heated debates on the credibility of the discovery and the far-reaching consequences it may have on our comprehension of the cosmos. Get ready for a cosmic rollercoaster as the unexpected unveiling unravels a myriad of questions, challenging the very fabric of what we thought we knew about life beyond our planet. This is Reveal the Mystery. If you are curious to learn mysteries of the world, space, and beyond, consider subscribing. Mysteries captivate and terrify us, but only a few possess the ability to truly enthrall. On July 26, 2023, David Grouch, a former intelligence officer from the Pentagon's UAP task force, delivered a testimony before the US Congressional hearing, specifically the House Committee on Oversight and Accountability. Sworn to share information that raised eyebrows, Grouch introduced a shift in terminology, replacing UFOs with UAP, Unidentified Aerial Phenomena, to encompass a broader spectrum of mysterious occurrences beyond airborne phenomena. Though restricted in openly discussing certain details, Grouch expressed a willingness to provide specific information and names to representatives in a secure setting, highlighting the need for confidentiality. Grouch's revelations transcended surface-level intrigue. He asserted the existence of government conspiracies involving secret operations related to the capture, recovery, and reverse engineering of unidentified objects dating back to the 1930s. Astonishingly, he claimed that the US government possessed non-human biological entities and alien bodies recovered from unidentified crafts. These disclosures unveiled a clandestine world of activities spanning decades, with potential significant consequences if proven true. Despite the intriguing details, current exploration is hindered by ongoing investigations shrouded in secrecy behind tightly sealed doors, akin to those safeguarding classified information. In a recent hearing, retired U.S. fighter pilot Ryan Graves and retired U.S. Navy Commander David Fravor shared their eyewitness accounts, primarily focused on the mysterious Tick-Tock incident involving a pill-shaped unidentified aerial phenomenon captured by Navy instruments and cameras during specific operations. However, the available information remains limited. The narrative cautions against deception, emphasizing the perennial presence of individuals seeking fleeting moments of fame through book deals, interviews, and notoriety. In a world where the allure of recognition comes with potential lucrative rewards, skepticism is warranted amidst the ongoing pursuit of truth. Adding another layer to the complexity is the challenge of disclosure. Governments meticulously select information to share with the public, prioritizing national security interests. In an ideal world, transparency would prevail, but in reality, disclosure is a deliberate and cautious process. Upon his discovery, NASA's immediate presence added legitimacy to the unfolding events. In June 2022, NASA took a bold step by assembling a team of 16 independent experts tasked with delving into the realm of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, using the agency's open-source data and expertise. Housed under the Department of Defense's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, their mission was not to dissect past UFO sightings, but to explore how NASA could contribute to understanding these mysterious phenomena in the future. Fast forward to September 14, 2023, when NASA conducted a press conference to unveil the team's findings. Surprisingly, the experts concluded that, scientifically speaking, there wasn't enough evidence to confidently attribute the phenomena to alien technology. It's not a dismissal, it signifies a lack of sufficient data for solid conclusions. The hitch lies in the fact that existing data, collected using instruments designed for other purposes, isn't a perfect fit for the inquiry. Many sightings have commonplace explanations, such as everyday objects, optical illusions, camera lens distortions, and instrument hiccups due to a lack of calibration. However, a small chunk of sightings, 171 reports, remains mysterious and unexplained. In his humble opinion, NASA should take the lead in exploring these phenomena with its trademark openness and transparency, sharing findings with the world. Despite a significant portion of information being classified, not due to sensitivity, but the use of military instruments, NASA's data might be more accessible. The organization's non-classified instruments could open the door to transparency. The key insight from the NASA report suggests a groundbreaking step, outsourcing the operation of remote sensing observation satellites to private companies. These companies could deploy high-resolution equipment focused on Earth, and through an innovative approach, data collection could be crowdsourced on the ground, leveraging the power of smartphones. The proposal includes a user-friendly app created by NASA, easily downloadable on phones. This app would automatically capture a wealth of information, including sensor data and images, whenever someone reports a UFO sighting. This innovative strategy could enhance our understanding of the universe while maintaining a delicate balance between discovery and security. Envision the transformative impact if all our smartphones were turned into data-gathering devices. NASA could then tap into an extensive pool of data, encompassing precise location, time, gravitational and electromagnetic field measurements, LiDAR sensing, and even high-resolution imagery. Surprisingly, much of this capability already exists in our smartphones. This concept signifies a significant shift in NASA's approach to UFOs, indicating a serious consideration of these phenomena. Given NASA's extensive resources, experience, and a wealth of data from crowdsourcing, the prospect of unraveling the truth behind unidentified aerial phenomena seems promising. While comprehensive data may be lacking today, the future holds the promise of improved insights into this intriguing mystery. NASA achieved an incredible feat with the James Webb Telescope, despite exceeding the budget and being 14 years behind schedule. This groundbreaking telescope is revolutionizing our understanding of the universe, recently identifying a potential exoplanet that might support life. On September 12, 2023, a well-known Mexican TV host and ufologist, Hamusan, testified under oath, presenting the mummified remains of two beings he claimed to be extraterrestrial. Discovered in the deserts of Nazca, Peru, these specimens were previously presented to the Peruvian Congress in 2018 for scientific verification, including CAT scans, carbon dating, and expert testimonies. The evidence suggests that these extraterrestrial beings may be more than a hoax or forgery, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of alien existence. In 2021, something fascinating was discovered and shared in a science journal. They found a pregnant alien creature with scales, 3 fingers on each hand, walking on 2 feet, and carrying 4 eggs in its belly. Scientists tried to understand this without using DNA or carbon dating. The creatures were taken to Mexico, where scientists checked their DNA and age. The surprising results showed that these creatures are around 1,000 years old, and 70% of their DNA is unlike anything known on Earth. This suggests they might be from outer space. Interestingly, these aliens kind of look like the ones we see in movies, adding some humor to the discovery. As for unidentified flying objects, UFOs, they have some incredible abilities that go beyond what we know about materials. They can speed up really fast and endure extremely high forces, much more than a fighter jet. What's even more mysterious is that they can go really fast without making loud sounds or causing friction with the air, unlike jets that make sonic booms. UFOs seem to glide through the air, go into the ocean, and come back out into space effortlessly. This is a big achievement in engineering and physics. The way UFOs fly is puzzling. They don't have visible engines, exhaust, or ways to steer, and they don't seem to use much energy. This suggests they might have a special way of defying gravity. Interestingly, almost half of the reported UFOs have a round shape, which is not typical for flying objects. Even in strong winds, they can stay still in the air, which is quite unusual. All these mysteries make people curious and fascinated about what these objects are and where they come from. Unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, are difficult to understand because they're secretive and hard to spot, sparking curiosity in those fascinated by the unknown. Mummies from Peru, initially thought to be fake, are now presented as proof in the Mexican Congress. However, just saying they're genuine isn't enough. It's crucial to share samples with other scientists worldwide to check the data. If these mummies are from outer space, the approach needs to be careful and perfect. Scientists may need to go to the location, take small samples, and quickly return to avoid any loss. Scientific facts are established when scientists globally agree, each working independently. Relying on one team isn't enough, as seen with doubts in the LK-99 superconductor discussion. DeGrasse Tyson rightly said that science is shaped by the collective efforts of scientists worldwide. Two intriguing pieces of evidence presented by Manon in Mexico are worth considering. Firstly, the DNA analysis showed that a significant 70% of the specimen's DNA was unfamiliar, not matching Earth's traits. These aliens share a DNA structure with us. Secondly, 30% of their DNA is eerily similar to ours. The mere existence of DNA in these creatures is astounding. If we think these lizard beings are from outer space, it means life on other planets might have started with the same genetic instructions as on Earth. In simpler terms, it suggests life in the universe could have started with the same basic genetic building blocks: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. In 1961, Dr. Frank Drake proposed the Drake equation, estimating how many intelligent alien civilizations could be in our Milky Way galaxy. It suggests there could be anywhere from 1,000 to a whopping 100 million civilizations. And this is just one galaxy among 2 trillion galaxies. Meeting potential cosmic neighbors is challenging unless we find a revolutionary way to travel, maybe through a dark energy generator. The mysteries of the universe continue to unfold. Modern physics only understands about 4% of the forces that drive the universe. Dark matter, making up 85% of the universe's mass, orchestrates a silent cosmic ballet that remains a mystery. Dark energy, another unseen force, makes galaxies move away from each other faster and faster, like dancers twirling across a stage. Yet we haven't fully deciphered this force. The cosmic contemplation raises questions about what lies beyond our reach in the vastness of space. Perhaps there's a cosmic community waiting to be discovered, but unlocking these celestial secrets depends on overcoming the challenges of physics, engineering, and understanding, especially when it comes to unraveling the mysteries of dark energy. Our cosmic exploration mirrors the evolution of earthly travel, progressing from ship limitations to the potential unveiling of a vast cosmic community. Those navigating the universe's complexities may reveal hidden cosmic secrets. Dark matter, a mysterious substance, could potentially manipulate wormholes, bending space and time. These concepts, currently beyond our grasp, remain on the fringes of our understanding. Until we master and control these phenomena, our existence might stay confined to this small blue planet. This narrative originates from Carl Sagan, an influential author and historical figure, renowned for works like Pale Blue Dot and the demon-haunted world, science as a candle in the dark. In the latter, Sagan presents a thought-provoking scenario involving an invisible, fire-breathing, cold-blooded flying dinosaur in a friend's garage. The more absurd the claims, the harder meaningful conversation becomes. This anecdote emphasizes the importance of skeptics and critical thinking. Sagan asserts that science isn't just facts, but a method encouraging questioning, caution towards authority, and seeking understanding with awareness of human fallibility. Without this approach, we risk influence from pretenders, be they political or religious. Until we gain better information, fostering meaningful communication about surrounding mysteries remains a challenge.